Четвертый класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Урок 15. Часть 1. Страница 32-33. English. Starlight for homework. Lesson number 15. Part number 1. Page number 32-33. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 32. Phonics. Exercise number 1. Read the word sentences first to yourself and then to your friend. Прочитай слова предложения сначала про себя, а потом своему другу. Wash, dishes, ocean. Ocean, in the ocean. Swim in the ocean. Let's go for a swim in the ocean. Owl, clown, brown. Flower, count, house, cow. How, town, mountain. Hello, says Tom the clown. Look at this brown cow. It's from the magic mountain. What is so special about his brown cow? Well, this brown cow can count flowers. Count flowers? Ask Mark and Sue. No, she can't. Yes, she can, says Tom. Look, how many flowers are there? Tom asked the cow and shows you 5 flowers. Then the cow moves 5 times. Wow, says Mark and Sue, the brown cow can count. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Say the words. Find the words with the ow sound. Проговори слова, найди слова со звуком ау. Wash, how, dish, cow. For, from, town, brown, go, clown. Stone, floor, flower, school, house. Count, boy, mountain. The answer are how, cow, town, brown, clown, flower, house, count, mountain. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Read the words first to yourself and then to your friend. Прочитай слова про себя, а затем другу. Brave, bravo. Bread, brilliant. Bring, Britain. Brother, brown. Free, fridge. Friend, frog. From, fruit, grab, gran, grandma, grandpa, great, grease, green, gray, train, tree, triangle, trousers, true. The answer. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. Read and complete the sentences. Прочитайте и закончите предложение. Sharon loves being close to nature, and she thinks about it all the time. Шарон любит быть рядом с природой, и она думает о ней все время. She swims in the ocean every day with her friends. Она плавает в океане каждый день со своими друзьями. When she goes home, she washes the dishes and cleans the house. Когда она приходит домой, она моет посуду и убирает дом. Then she goes into her garden and counts the flowers. Затем она идет в свой сад и считает цветы. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 33. 33. Checkpoint. Exercise number 1. Look and number. Посмотри и пронумеруй. Теннис. Baseball. Volleyball. Hockey. Table tennis. Water skiing. Badminton. Basketball. The answer. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Look and complete, then choose. Посмотри и закончи. Затем выбери. Is he riding a horse? Yes, he is. Он катается на лошади? Да. Are they playing baseball? Yes, they are. Is he making the bed? Yes, he is. Is she washing the dishes? No, she isn't. Is she doing the ironing? Yes, she is. What is Ben doing? He is watching hockey on TV. Are the children eating? Yes, they are. What is Kate writing? An email. Can I help? Yes, please. And then, now I can. Name household chores. Сейчас я умею называть обязанности по дому. Ask for permission. Спрашивать разрешение. Ask for help. Say what people are doing now. Name sports. Name numbers. Write a description of a photo in English. The answer. Say what people are doing now. Anne is making a cake. Her mother is watching TV. Her father is writing an email. I'm washing a car, and my cat is eating mouse. We are having a wonderful time there. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.